Gold is at make or break level right now. And what's shocking, despite global tensions, inflation fears, and uncertainty, gold is still struggling to break out. So the real question is gold to explode next week or crash hard? Because what happened in the next few days could decide the entire trend. If you see, now the price is trading around 44.430 dollars. If you see, let's understand and what's moving gold right now. We have three major forces. That is, we can see that geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and war risk. We can see on Friday night there can be a probability that the war can still a little more and is still continuing, as well as we have seen a strong US dollar index, as well as interest rate expectations. Okay, that is Fed policies. Normally during war, what happens? We see a bullish ground for gold. But right now dollar is dominating and the rising bond yields are putting pressure on gold. So gold is stuck in a conflict between fear and liquidity, and that is why price is consolidating. Okay, if you see the trend, the price is trading around 44.40 and it has already made a strong level at $40.90. Remember that $40.90 is a strong level, and if it started moving upside, the level which is trading at, we can see a further high. But remember, a strong support on a weekly chart we can see at 43.84. Okay, which is a support one, and this is a strong level. Keep this in mind that from there a bounce back can come if it touches this level, but if the price goes below that level, then we can see there can be a downfall. But if it keep moving upside, we can see the price will go upside, and from there it will cross a level of 45.37. This 45.37 is weak level. Okay, so probability will be high, it will cross that level and it will move towards 46.43. Okay, and once the price moving over 46.43, a further upside can be seen towards next level of around $49.72. Okay, and if the price going above this level, a further upside can be seen. As I've clearly mentioned you that if the price started going below this particular level, we can see the price will go fall further down. It can touch a level of $42.78, and if the price going below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 42.31. Okay, and once started falling below, further fall can be seen. But before I explain you on the downside, if the price didn't sustain a level of 4384, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See the bigger picture on a weekly chart, we can see gold is still in a long-term bullish trend. But recently we are seeing rejection from higher levels. Okay, and if you see market is preparing for a, you can say, a big move. With a low we have seen at around 41.05. This is an important level you have to understand, around $40.90, with a low of around 4090, which you can say that if the price started falling below this level, a further fall can be seen. As long as a gold holds above $4300, okay, a level of 4378, chances of further upside is very high, and that changes everything. Okay, so I have already explained you that if the price started sustaining above a level of around this level, and then there is a chances that it will cross a level of $45.50, which is a weak level, and then a further upside can be seen towards is half around 46.10, which is this particular week high. And once it started upside, $46.30, and if the price going off this level 46.41, then to a level of $46.71. And if it keep moving upside, we will see that it will move towards 48.53 to a level of 48.73. These are the levels we can see. Okay, so trail your SL as soon as the price started sustaining this level. If the price keep moving over $43.78, okay, because the price is already above this level, keep trailing. Okay, and chances will be very high it will cross a level of 45.50, because that is a weak level. Okay, and once started going upside, we can see further high. So trail your SL by around $20 to $25 or 15 to 20, depending on how you have the quantity, how much quantity you have SL and target. Okay, but if it started coming down, it can fall towards a level of around $43.80. From there a bounce back can be seen, 43.80. But if the price didn't bounce back, it will come down again towards a level of 42.57, then to a level of 42.26. And if the price fall below this level, it will move towards $41.56 to a level of 40.95. Okay, and once started falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards 40.35. Okay, and chances of further fall can also be seen. Okay, as we have seen, the war is still on, and we can see the movement on Friday is very important. So trailer SL again by $20 to $25, which is very high. Okay, and if it keep moving below this level, we can see there can be a chances of further fall. Okay, so remember, if it keep falling below a level of around 42.57, chances of going towards a level of 41.36 can be there, and from there a level of $90, from there a level of 40.35. Then there will be a zone breakout, so chance of going towards below a level of 4,000 can be seen, and there will be a chances because we have seen, I have shown you on the monthly candle that it is forming a bearish engulfing candle, so chances are high. But we have seen the volume has also changed, so probability can be high after touching low it can move in the next month on upside. But coming back on a 2-hour chart, what you can see on the lower time frame. Okay, now on a daily time frame, if we see that gold is a range and consolidating, lower high forming and weak bullish momentum. Resistance, we can see that if the price sustain above a level of around 45.50, which is weak level, it will cross a level of 46.20. Then from there it will move toward $42, and then a further upside can be seen. So remember, these are the levels where the price can sustain. So trailer SL by around $10 to $15, the price sustain above this particular level, and it will cross a level of 45.50. Chance of crossing 4600 also be there. But if it keep coming down, it can come down towards $44.08. From there it will go towards 43.07, and from there we can see a level of 41.05 after 43.07, because this pattern is supporting downside, so we can see there will be a further down. So trailer SL by around $10 to $15 if the price started going below today's low of around 4398. Okay, now coming back on more lower time frame, that is on the 2-hour chart, you will see there is a clear downside we can see. Okay, so chances will be high if it crosses that is today's low, probability high it can touch a level of around 43.88. From there it can move towards 43.16, and then a probability of crossing 41.09 will be there, and then to a level of 40.90. And this pattern is supporting downside, so chances will be high it will go further low, and yes, after that we can see a level of around 40.50, then to a level of further fall. But if it keep rising above this level, we can see the price will go above a particular level of around $44.50. From there a further upside can be seen towards a level of 4500, and once started rising above this level, probability will be high it will cross above a level of 45.04 to a level of 45, will support an upside. Then a probability of going 4063 will be there, then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside can be seen. So trailer SL by around $15 to $20, so at least you will capture upside movement also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. There will be a geopolitical tensions we can see because of the war situation is there. Okay, so there can be a fake breakout, quick reversal, and stop loss hunting. So remember that in order to sustain above that level of going upside, we can see if it keep moving above a level of 45,000, then we can see a further upside. But if it keeps sustaining over 43.80, then also we can see there is a bullish trend. But if it keep falling below this level, a further fall can be seen. Okay, and understand that once the price started falling below 43.80, there can be a further downfall can be seen because of the strong dollars or rising yields. This is what we can see. So right now gold is slightly leaning on the bearish side. Okay, but if it keeps 43.80, we can see there can be a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I am given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please one thumbs up, new to my channel.